Karriem Riggins Drums by Native Instruments is not your ordinary set of drum samples and loops. This drum library is dirty, lo-fi, inspiring, which you might have expected if you know how Karriem Riggins plays drums and produces with Jay Dilla, Ron Carter, Paul McCartney and many more. This library is not suited if you want your run-of-the-mill drum samples you have heard 1,000 times. Here's one example of the drums in a loop. Here's another with some sample programming. As you can hear, these sounds are unique and would fit best in a lo-fi and hip-hop track, and certainly fit in a track which needs vibey, different sounding drums. I wouldn't use these in a rock track, but that's my opinion. Don't let it stop you. What do you get in the package? First, the very colorful interface, which was designed by Jason Jagel, which you might know from his work with MF Doom. You have the main page, which has a MPC or machine style layout of 4x4 pads for the samples. Second is a kit page where you can change out the samples and add up to 4 insert effects for each sample and 2 send effects. There are a whole lot of samples and the entire library is 2.85 gigabytes big. You get around 37 kick samples, 45 snares and rims, 20 percussion samples, around 40 hi-hat variations, and crash, ride, clap, miscellaneous, melodic, bass and vocal samples. And 1 tom. Pretty hilarious. That's enough to keep you busy for a while and give you time to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. This video is made possible by DistroKid. Hyperfollow is the promotional tool of DistroKid to have all of the links to your streaming services and stores on one page. No more issues with handling multiple posts to different streaming sites. Also, Hyperfollow allows you to pre-save for Spotify, so the moment your music is released, your fans will be notified. Get 7% off of your first year on DistroKid if you use the link in the description of this video. The third page is where I have the most fun, because these have loops created by Karriem Riggins, the man himself. 16 variations are available of each of the loops, which come in different tempos, styles and vibes, and very much wonky at times. When you click with your mouse or play via MIDI, these loops seamlessly change, which is great for testing out and checking the right loops for your project. You get a bunch of controls to adjust timing as well. Page number 4 is where you can tweak the insert effects you have set in the kit page, or you can set them here. Also, and these are adjustable on every page, here is where you set the 8 overall insert effects. Lots to choose from, and there's a dedicated noise generator as well for dirtiness and added grit. And there's plenty to choose from as well. Find the Karriem Riggins library using my link in the description. Displayed on screen and also linked below is a drum library created by a man who was known to hate samples.